Hello, everybody.
Welcome back to another episode of Dylan
And Dad.
Play Games.
We're going to be cracking
A quote-unquote box of Core 20.
Now, these were bought on a discount, not as a regular pack. We have 36 packs here. So we're going to open them up and see what we get. Slap it for good luck. All right. Now, this is not going to have your normal Mythic pull rate. We're not going to get 4 per pack like you would normally assume to get in your boosters. But here's hoping we still get some good, spicy stuff and we don't get hosed.
Hopefully for something really, really good.
That's right. All right, let's see here. This pack has been out for a while, so we're not going to really pay too much attention to the commons.
Yep, and this actually was...
And, of course, Leyline of the Void. Very first one.
Oh my gosh!
Right out of the gate.
Are you kidding me?
That is a great opening pull right there.
If you slap a pack, you get some good luck.
So...
And this was actually one of the first sets that I ever played with.
This was the first set that we played together as Dylan got into Magic last year. And so, Dungeon Geist.
Good one as well.
It's a good one. So yeah, we had a lot of fun. This is fun revisiting it, seeing if we can get some of those mythics that we didn't get when we were drafting.
I'm just gonna move this.
Oh, you want it up in the special spot? All right.
That is a special rare right there.
All right.
It's like 20 or something bucks.
Kaikar, Wind's Fury, first mythic. All right.
Neat-o.
So we got a Leyline of the Void. We got a mythic already, and we're 3 packs in. So I think this is going pretty well. What do you think, Dylan?
I believe so.
So we got these packs for about half the price of the normal packs.
Which is
So
awesome.
that's always a good thing when you get a discount. All right. Chandra, Barkai, and another Leyline of Combustion. So we're 2 Leylines in. We got a mythic. No foiled yet, but the day is young. Let's see what we get here. All right, Loyal Pegasus, Chandra, Awakened Inferno, mythic number 2.
Oh, that is one of the most expensive mythics ever.
Yep, these are some great mythics. Look at that. Hey, this is
Wow.
popping. 2 mythics and wow, and 2 Leylines already. So Dylan, what was your favorite part when you were drafting Core 20?
Basically, it was just getting to know everybody at where we were drafting it.
Yes, our local game stores, Temple of Silence. We are firm supporters of our LGSs, are we not?
Can I open that pack?
Absolutely.
All right.
All right. Let's see if he gets something spicy. All right, commons, uncommons, Marauding Raptor.
Nah. Evolving Wilds, that's it.
All right, well here, let's slap this one, get back on good track. Let's see what we get. All right, 2 mythics. We are not even 12 packs in.
And we already have a Chandra, Awakened Inferno.
That is a pretty spicy. I would have really liked to have never drafted one of those.
Well,
And another back-to-back Marauding Raptors.
what is up with that?
You slapped it too hard. Slap it nicer. No, too hard. Too hard. You gotta be gentle. Gentle slap. Just enough to put the good luck in it. All right. Let's see what we get. All right. And Loxodon. Oh. There's a foil back there. Holy smokes. That is a foil mythic Zenith Seeker. Well, I guess maybe you should slap it hard. You slapped a foil mythic into it.
I think that's a commander card, isn't it?
That could be a commander card. Absolutely. It's a legendary creature. Commander is another format we love to play. All right. Scholar, Cavalier Flames. That is our 4th mythic.
Wow.
And we are not even 12 packs in. So
This is crazy.
These buyouts are
crazy.
Proving very fruitful. When you can get good deals on Magic cards, I guess you got to take good deals on Magic cards, right?
Yep, I believe so.
All right.
Not even 12 packs in.
Let's see. And another Zenith Seeker. That is 5 Mythics. Holy smokes, we're running out of room for Mythics here. And a foil. We'll put the foil. Where do you want to put the foil at?
Let's just move the tokens.
All right, foil goes there. Tokens go there. All right. First third of the box. We are
5 Mythics.
Crazy Mythic town.
Mythic train. Choo choo.
All right, let's see how we finish the first third of the box here. All right.
Give me something good. Give me something good.
Drawn from Dreams.
Nah.
And a foil Infuriate.
May I open the next pack?
Absolutely. You want me to slap it?
Sure, go ahead.
Good luck. Take the package. All right. Commons.
Looks like
All
we're
right.
gonna have a foil.
And another Raptor.
What is this?
And a foil.
Shifting Ceratops.
All right, we got a foil rare.
Neat.
Shifting Ceratops, a little dinosaur foil. Dinosaurs are always fun. We have a friend who likes to play Big Dumb Dinos. All right, let's see what we get. Keep this train running. Ooh, rare Chandra and a foil uncommon Yard Wave Crasher.
Out of all of this, I've seen an uncommon Chandra, a rare Chandra, and then the mythic Chandra, which I've never seen in actual card form.
That's right. So we have all 3 versions of Chandra now. So
from the Core 20 set.
From the Core 20 set, that's right. Core 21's got another new Chandra. So
I just spoil it.
Everybody's seen it. It's been spoiled for everyone. Dylan's trying to avoid the Core 21 spoilers. He wants to be surprised when he drafts the set in July. Embodiment of Agonies. All right, we need to get some more luck in this one. Slap that one good. All right. Oh, 3 slaps. 3 slaps. Bringing the fire. He's bringing the heat. All right, let's see here. Blood-Soaked Altar. Golos, Tireless Pilgrim. It's another very popular commander card. Lots of people playing Golos decks. All right. What do you think our next Mythic's going to be? Or do you think we're going to get any more Mythics?
I believe we might get at least another Mythic or 2.
All right. Maybe I jinxed it. I hope I didn't jinx it. And then back-to-back Golos, Tireless Pilgrims.
What is this?
Oh, well, yeah, that's what you get when you get a bunch of packs. They're not necessarily from one individual box. But you never know. You end up with 5 Mythics. You end up with ley lines. Maybe it works out. Maybe it doesn't. I think we're doing pretty well.
Gargos.
Vicious Watcher.
That was actually I actually have a promo of that. That was the first promo I actually had.
In our pre-release kits?
Yep.
Always fun to draft the pre-release.
Promos.
All right, let's see. Disfigure. And another Chandra.
May I open the next pack?
Absolutely. Oh, here,
Just slap.
there you go.
Just do some slappage.
All right.
Commons, uncommons, and a masterful replication.
Making some clones.
Clone Wars.
All right. Next pack. Let's see what we get.
Hope for something good.
I mean, we've got it. Spicy opening so far for sure.
Yep. With the Awakening Inferno Chandra, and they line up the Void as a first pack.
Temple of Epiphany.
Rare land cycle.
You know, I actually like the temples. They weren't bad at all. Scrying can be really useful in the early game. Help you get yourself set. All right. Spectral Sailor, Planner Cleansing. Destroy all non-land permanents. A good board wipe. Everybody needs a good board wipe.
Yep, every once in a while.
All right, slap it. Let's get some luck in these ones here.
Triple slapping.
Triple slapping. Dylan's going mad with the slaps. Let's see what we get here. Oh. Scampering, Cerulean, and another Temple.
The same one as we got last one.
It's all right. Second third of our box. Not as spicy as the first third, but that's all right. We still got 12 packs to go after this one. So we got lots of opportunities to have some fun.
Do some fun stuff.
Glint-horned Buccaneer and a Zenith Charge foil common.
Zephyr.
All right, move some of these commons out of the way here.
All right, now let's head
Stack
on
them
over.
up. Last third. Oh, you want to slap it? 2 slaps this time.
In the last pack of good quadruple slap.
Oh, you heard it here. Quadruple slaps for the final pack. He's gonna slap some luck right into it.
But who knows if it's gonna be lucky or not.
That's true, we don't know. Starfield Mystic. All right.
Let me organize
We got lots of lands, lots of rares.
lots of awesome stuff. Lots of mythics. Awesome mythics.
All right. Master Splicer. And another Golos.
What is with the Golos? It's
And a foil rare
Rare
land.
Temple Triumph.
Temple of Triumph. Well, if anybody's looking for a play set of Golos, apparently we've got them.
3 Golos.
All right. And another Master Splicer. That was our uncommon here. And Legion's End.
I should open the next one.
All right. Sounds good. Need a belt?
Yeah.
Packs are unruly.
Especially ones that have almost been out for a year.
These came out back in July of last year. All right. Commons, uncommons, and another
Yarok.
mythic, Yarok.
And a foil forest.
Foil Forest. Well, I guess maybe the kid just needs to open more of them.
Mythic number 6.
6 mythics.
And 3 of which are commanders. Talia is duplicated.
All right, let's see here. Let's see if I can match him. See if I get my mythic.
I don't think you are.
You don't think I'm gonna get a mythic?
No.
Let's find out. Temple of Mystery. It's a mystery, Dylan. It's a mystery when I'll get another pack with a mythic in it. Slap it. All right. It's been slapped. 1 solid slap to give me a mythic. Let's see what we get. All right. Vampire of the Dire Moon. Field of the Dead. Not a mythic, but a good pull. A lot of play in that card. All right. We're winding down. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs left. All right. This is a trip down memory lane. All right. Goblin Ringleader. He looks mad.
Yep.
Bag of Holding.
Meh.
Just a so rare. Oh, Dylan's going to get one in. He gets another mythic. I might have to kick him off the channel.
No, I don't.
There we go. All right.
Looks like we might get a foil. And Starfield Mystic.
And a foil
Bone Splinters.
common Bone Splinters.
Meh.
That's all right.
We're doing good so far.
I think we're doing great. If this was a normal pack, this was a normal box, we'd be crushing it right now. Ley lines, we got 5, 6 mythics.
Yep, 6 mythics.
All right, Disfigure, Temple of Malady, and a Leafkin Druid foil.
Meh.
All right. 3 packs left. What are we going to find?
Wait, hold on.
Oh, you want to slap it? Double tapped. Let's see. No foil in this pack. And we got another temple. Temple of silence. Shh, tell it. It's supposed to be silent. No, you can't laugh. You're not silent.
Like,
3 taps. Going into the close. And he, as Dylan promised, he's going to quadruple tap the last pack.
hopefully for some good luck.
For some great luck. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, I see a foil back there already, so I've spoiled the surprise.
It's probably going to be a common or uncommon.
You never know. Steel Overseer and a foil Forest. Womp womp. All right, last pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and he stole it.
I'll just be taking this, opening it.
All right, last pack, folks. Thanks for sticking with us. Some spiciness, hopefully. Let's see, corpse and a ley line of combustion. That's where we started. All right, so multiple ley lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mythics. I think this was, including 1 foil mythic, I think this was a great box. This was a lot of fun to remember Core 2020.
Yep.
And
I hope you guys enjoy.
thanks, everybody.
Stay tuned for our next episode.
Like, share, subscribe, all those YouTube things,
Click
right?
the bell as well.
We have a bell. Click the bell. Sure. All right. Thanks, everybody.
Bye.